The Business Transformer, double, even triple your business in 18 to 24 months. Some full-service restoration owners are uniquely prepared to make the commitments to the strategies necessary to transform their business, taking it to new levels of growth and prosperity. Accelerating revenue, improving operational efficiencies, gaining greater profits, and increasing personal wealth will change your business and your life. This is the premier plan that provides all the skills, strategies and tools available to you to achieve the greatest overall results in transforming your business into an award-winning, hyper-growth company. The entire Restoration Entrepreneur University Management Services series is available through this plan and is customizable to meet any business need or interest. Here is a description of the help you will receive from this 12-month coaching plan. Increase your company's revenue. Available only through the Restoration Entrepreneur, you will be introduced to all 10 national third-party administrators, TPA, who manage the bulk of insurance property claims volume. I will provide you with the right contact for your company, coach you on how to make the most positive and impressive first impression, how to navigate the application process, inform you what most interests each TPA in reviewing contractor applications, and walk you all the way through to program selection. My client contractors typically are activated for 4 to 6 TPA programs during the first 120 days, and many begin receiving assignments within 30 days of first contact. For those TPAs that don't activate your company immediately, I will show you how to work around the barriers that hinder activation in order to help accelerate your company's selection. You will be introduced to 3 government agencies that work in your community, and who provide homeowner grants ranging in size from $7,000, $10,000, $70,000. Each agency is searching for dependable and quality contractors to which they send referrals. You could become one of those privileged contractors receiving these fast-paying, high-quality referrals for customers who already have money in hand, and possess a strong determination and need to complete their remodel quickly. I will introduce you to referral sources that can result in $1 million or more of fire services available right now in your community. What would it mean to you if you began receiving referrals from local fire departments, law enforcement agencies, and first responder services who invite you inside the protected area of the incident? Say no to fire chasing, and yes to referrals from local fire referral sources. For those contractors who are interested in expanding their fire services, you can design and implement a customized marketing campaign for packouts and contents processing services as suggested in designing a state-of-the-art contents processing center. Providing both reconstruction and contents cleaning services marks a contractor as a true fire services provider. This option is offered for immediate implementation for interested contractors, or can be added at any time during the duration of this agreement. You will learn the secrets of on-trend marketing strategies that really work in getting more work from local professionals in your community, such as insurance agents, plumbing contractors, HVAC contractors, industrial hygienists, commercial property managers, and realtors. More insurance loss referrals are made outside of insurance programs than through them. You will learn how to secure more of this work for your company than ever before. If you want to jumpstart and fast-track increased sales growth, this is the way to do it. Each one of these sources could be sending work directly to you. Not leads that you have to go out and sell, but referrals and assignments that result in the highest possible capture rates. My company did $5 million of revenue per year, comprised of nearly 800 jobs. The majority of our work came directly to us by insurance carriers through TPAs. How could you possibly create a marketing process that would produce that many assignments and do it year after year? Every fast-growing large restoration company I know has made their mark largely by contribution of insurance program work. Imagine what direct assignments could mean to you as the number of carriers grows year after year. Diversifying your revenue sources will protect you from overdependence upon a single source of sales revenue. Adding referral sources from government agencies, Local fire service providers and local industry professionals will build a broad and strong revenue base, shielding you from unexpected changes in the marketplace. Improve and protect your company's profit. While the entire business operation is assessed in search of profit killers, special attention is given to the construction services division of the company's operation, since this is the area of greatest complexity and where most profit killers hide. I will assess the design, structure, and operation of your business with special attention to the major business divisions of administration, mitigation, construction, and sales and marketing. Special attention is given to the construction services division, including identifying necessary personnel for where you are right now and who will be needed in the future to expand your capacity for even more work. I will help you determine reasonable compensation for each position based upon performance objectives, determine needed equipment, help you prepare subcontractor contracts, and build new relationships to support your growing construction work. I will help you with everything you need to know and do to effectively manage and grow this division of work. I will complete an internal assessment of personnel, policies, positions and compensation with recommendation for improvement or further development. You could earn 50% profit on every construction services job you do. I will show you how to achieve this through profit improving techniques in estimating, controlling material purchasing and labor costs. I will show you how to take control of your construction services and earn top profit margins on every job every time. I will give you immediate access to flooring and other material wholesalers who provide your materials at 35%, 50% below retail costs. This level of material savings, along with locking in installation labor costs, can earn you 45%, 50% profit on the flooring portion of every job you do. No more sending customers to local retailers where they spend every nickel you are allotted for their materials. By taking the showroom to them, you can ensure customers are getting quality materials that are deeply discounted for you. You will discover other profit-producing programs for purchasing drywall, paint, roofing supplies, and many other materials commonly used on most damage repair jobs. Working together, we will set profit margin benchmarks for each revenue source for your business. We will determine your typical per job profit margin and set steps to bring about immediate improvement where needed. I will help you ensure that your estimators are not leaving money on the table. What difference would it make if you closed the back door to this profit killer? I will introduce you to internal Xactimate features and estimating practices that most estimators are completely unaware of, that will ensure the level of thoroughness and accuracy that makes you more money on every job. Imagine if your estimators were leaving just 5% of chargeable lines items off their estimates, and the positive impact it would have on your business if you were able to reclaim those losses. More money is lost through a lack of control over material purchasing than any other single issue. It is not uncommon for your crew to purchase 15 sheets of drywall when the estimate allows for only 10, or pay $35 a gallon for paint when the estimate pays you only $26, or buy a $200 sink for which you are paid only $95. I will introduce you to Xactimate features that will enable you to take control of material purchasing, ensuring huge savings on every job every time. Customer change orders can easily get out of control. Many estimators and project managers don't know how to complete proper change orders. This oftentimes results in the company paying more or doing more work for your customers because you don't know how to use change orders. I will show you how to take control of your change orders so that you are not paying for someone else's dream or upgrade. Don't accept bids from subcontractors. If you do, you are paying too much for your labor. I can show you how to take control of labor costs without upsetting or losing your subcontractors and lock in your profit, achieving 50% profit per job every time for your construction work. Life is so much better when you have the cash flow to support your business and not worry each week as payroll approaches. Stop paying subcontractors an hourly wage. Contractors are known for milking the clock and costing you money when paid hourly. I will show you how to use Xactimate to determine a per-job approach to labor that will encourage worker efficiency, that will actually increase their hourly rate, making them more money than ever before, and at the same time locking in your profit. Say no to hourly wages and yes to paying by the job every time. Do you want to earn top dollar on each construction job? What difference would this make in your cash flow, cash reserves, and personal wealth? You can, and should, and you can start now. Roofing is the general contractor's best and most overlooked opportunity for a major boost to sales. In the past 10 years, roofing has become a high priority for TPAs and preferred contractor programs, and has produced dramatic increases in claims volume for program contractors. Most insurance carriers now send their roofing claims through their TPA programs directly to preferred general contractors. You can get in on the revenue and profit surge roofing provides by adding this construction niche to your service offerings. You'd be hard-pressed to find a business owner who didn't believe cash flow was one of their biggest and most pressing problems. It is one of the clearest indicators of success or distress, and of operational excellence or dysfunction. I will help you implement a multifaceted system that can help you solve your cash flow chaos once and for all. The biggest issue most contractors face is not overspending, but rather not getting paid soon enough for work completed, resulting in a financial float that gets to be more and more and more until it is unbearable. I will show you how to get your first construction draw at the start of the job instead of waiting until you are done before you see your first cash. I will help you squash excess spending, effectively navigate the mortgage company maze, and get your final payment on time instead of waiting for months. You will have unlimited access to the Restoration Entrepreneur Network, hosted on LinkedIn, peer-to-peer learning community. You will have access to company owners who are working hard at growing their businesses, with whom you can ask any question you want, as well as learn from the questions and answers others are sharing back and forth. Learning from other practitioners is a valuable opportunity you don't want to miss out on. All of this and so much more completes the services offered through the Business Transformer. Financial statements and controls will be reviewed to ensure good management practices are in place for accounts payable management, credit card usage, job costing procedures and practices, material purchasing controls, and accounts receivable procedures, including mortgage company payment processing procedures. Imagine the benefit of having a personal trainer available to you to answer any question about any issue you face, including restoration industry technicals of drying and construction. How do you resolve issues with problem homeowners, or adjusters, or employees? Do you need insight into how to deal with a particular problem for which you are unclear which response to choose? How many times have you wished you had available an experienced restoration expert who could weigh in on a critical decision you must make? Now you can have all of the help you need for any issue you want help with through the Business Transformer. What could be more life-changing than this? For many business owners, the best place to start in earning more money is to improve internal operational efficiencies that increase cash flow and profit. Close the door to profit killers and keep more of the money you have already earned.